In this lesson, I'll show you how to multiply large numbers. Let's start with question number 1. We're asked to multiply 73 times 8. When it comes to multiplying large numbers, you want to put the larger number on top of the smaller number. So for example, we have 73 times 8. Notice that I've placed 73 at the top and 8 at the bottom. To multiply these two, what we will do is take this 8 and multiply it to the 3. 8 times 3 is 24. We write down 4 underneath, and given that 24 is double digits, you take the second digit, the 2, and place it on top of the 7. This 2 will serve as a reminder of what we do after we multiply 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. So we take 56 and we add 2 to 56. That gives us 58. So our final answer is 584. Let's move on to question number 2. In question number 2, we have a 3-digit number being multiplied to 37. Notice that 294 is bigger than 37 and it's been placed at the top. Here's how to multiply this. I'll rewrite it over here. 294 times 37. We start with the 7, much like the way we started with this 8. 7 times 4 is 28. I'll put that 8 underneath here because it is 2 digits. And I'll put the 2 from the 28 as a reminder up here. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 2 is 65. Place the 5 and the 6 as a reminder up here. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 6 is 20. Once you've finished with the first digit, you move on to the next. We have 3 times 4, that's 12. And one thing to keep in mind is that when you place the 2, you start placing your numbers underneath the second digit that you found. So keep this part empty. 3 times 4 is 12. We place a 2 over here and a plus 1 as a reminder. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 1 is 28. Place the 8 here and the 2 as a reminder over here. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. Now, we will add what we found. 8 plus nothing is 8. Adding 5 and 2 is 7. 0 plus 8 is 8. And 2 plus 8 is 10. Our final answer is 10,878. Let's move on to question number 3. In question number 3, we have 700 times 8,000. This one is a lot easier than the other two, because when it comes to multiplying numbers that have zeros, all you do is multiply the numbers that are not zeros, and count the amount of zeros and add it to the number. For example, 7 times 8 is 56. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 56 with 5 zeros. This number is read 5,600,000. In question number 4, we're asked to multiply a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. Let's go ahead and do that. 999, 316, and these are being multiplied. Notice that the larger numbers at the top and the smaller numbers at the bottom. We will start with the first digit, 6. 6 times 9 is 54. I'll place a 4 over here and a plus 5 as a reminder. 6 times 9 is 54 again. Plus 5 is 59. Plus 5. 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 5 is 59. This first part is done. 1 times 9 is 9. And instead of placing it over here, we'll place it over here. 1 times 9 is 9, and 9 again. Finally, we move on to 3. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. I'll place that 7 over here. Notice that I'm keeping this part vacant now. We also have a plus 2 as a reminder. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 2 is 29. Another plus 2. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 2 is 29. Now that we have these, we can add them up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 9 is 18. I'll place the 8 over here and plus 1 as a reminder up here. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 7 is 25. Plus 1 is 26. Plus 2 as a reminder. 5 plus 9 is 14. Plus 9 is 23. Plus 2 is 25. 9 plus 2 is 11. And we have 3. So our final answer is 315,684. Finally, in question number 5, they want us to find the answer to 800 times 36. To answer this question, what we can do is multiply 36 with 8. and then add the remaining zeros. 36 plus 8 is 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4 is 28. So we have 288, and we add those zeros. Our final answer is 28,800. And there you have it. That is how to multiply large numbers.